Hey fam, this is Raven.
This is Julie Samonte, and you're tuned into
Easy Run.
Someday, someone's gonna love you. Sakit? May comment.
Someday we'll know if love can move mountains.
Forever's not enough for me to love you.
You were just a dream that I once knew. Ang haba. Never thought I would be right for you. You're all I need to be with forevermore.
You are the one who makes me happy. Kalimutan ko na.
Just like me, they long to be close to you.
And today, tomorrow's okay. And today, we'll find a way. Blind stereo mo na, Obad.
And I won't last a day without you.
Here comes the sun, na 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 na. Here comes the sun, and I say, it's alright. And then, di nakasana yung gitara.
Sunday morning rain is falling. Okay na yun.
Lumampa ako eh.
4 speeds ako eh.
Ano,
OPM all the way.
Ah, okay. Sorry, gitarista.
So ano?
Sige, 4 of Spades.
4 of
Dahil
Spades.
OPM members tayo.
Yes, yes.
And we're celebrating Linggo ng Musikang Pilipino. Ebe ako.
Ebe Dancel.
Yun. Ebe Dancel.
Ebe Dancel.
Orange and Lemons.
Orange and Lemons.
Yeah.
Orange and Lemons.
Biased yata ako. Pero favorite ko talaga sila. So,
Orange and Lemons.
Ay, yes! Nakagis ko sa Wilden.
Oh my.
Alam mo na yung sagot ko. Loyal tayo.
Wala, Orange and Lemons ko all the way.
Sige, papalit na lang tayo.
Hindi. Ikaw,
Compromise.
Cup of Joe or...
Ikaw. Alam mo yung sagot ko. Pero I'm open to compromise.
Hindi,
Kasi
Orange and Lemons.
Okay,
Orange and
alright.
Lemons.
Woohoo!
Orange and Lemons.
Orange.
Orange and Lemons.
Orange and lemon.
Orange and Lemons.
Orange and lemons.
Orange and Lemons.
Copy-paste mo lang yung...
Hindi. Nag-iisip talaga ako eh. Parang, ang hirap to.
Si Raven na mag-decide.
Bakit
Alam niya
ako?
yung sagot ko. Orange and lemons all the way.
Hindi, Orange and Lemons. Very classic. Orange and Lemons.
Orange and lemons.
Orange and Lemons. OPM all the way. Orange and Lemons.
Orange and lemons. Boss level to ah.
Ang hirap nun.
Pwede both.
Eraserheads.
Ayan, meron na tayong tiebreaker. Sige, Eraserheads. Kasi lahat naman tayo influenced by them. Hala, bloom ako eh. Si Eraserheads.
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 Eraserheads. Eraserheads. Kasi Eraserheads, nag-define sila ng isang era.
For me, Eraserheads, aside from maraming na-inspire magbanda, maging songwriter, siguro how they wrote songs and produced songs. It's unique eh. It speaks to your life and something that a lot of people would like to emulate. Sa hindi inaasahang pagtatagpo ng mga mundo, may minsan lang na nagtugtog, damang-dama na ang ugong nito.
Di pa ba sapat ang sakit at lahat na hindi ko ipararanas sa'yo. Ipinupunyak ka ng iyong mata. Ano yun? Next. Sumisigaw ng pagsinta.
And you can keep me inside a pocket of your ripped jeans. In the You would hold me.
Pwede mo kasi i-search yun.
Wait for me to come home. Sorry, Ed Sheeran, if you're watching.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes. But it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive.
Sana'y di magmaliw ang pagtingin. Kay daling sabihin, kay hirap gawin at sa mundong walang katiyakan. Sabay nating gawing kahapon ang bukas.
Ikaw at ako, pinag-isa. Tayong dalawa, may kanya-kanya. Sa isa't isa, tayo ay sumasandal. Ang baba. Georgia, wrap me in all your wants you. In my arms, oh let me hold you. I never let you go again like I did. Oh, I used to say I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared. All the things that could go wrong along the way, you get by with a smile. You can't win at everything, but you can try.
Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. When they're closing all their doors and they don't want you anymore. This sounds funny, but I'll say it anyway. 1, 2, 3. Iiwan na ang bawat sandali. Iiwan na ang bawat pagtingin. Isisigaw ang nais pang sabihin. Sa kawalan, walang ililihim. Sa lati, tahimik, walang makaririnig. Malalim o mababaw man ang aking nararamdaman. Lahat ng ito dito'y iiwan at di niya kailanman malalaman. Sa lati aanurin lahat ng kinikimkim.
Pambihira, muli tayong nagkita sa isang lugar ang di inakala. Pambihira, pa rin ang iyong karisma, ang iyong ngiting kakaiba. Isa milyong tao Akong akin ang sasalubong. Bakit ikaw pa? Bakit ngayon pa? Sana'y pwede pa tayong magsimula o sana'y meron pa akong magawa, hindi ka na pakakawalan. Di na ako mawawala o sana'y pwede pa o pwede pa o pwede pa.
Hey fam, this is Julie Samonte. I'm also a proud member of OPM, the organisasyon ng mga Pilipinong mga awit. And you can stream my latest single, it's called Salati, in your favorite music streaming app. And we'd like to thank all of the people who were part of this year's Linggo ng Musikang Pilipino. Thank you for watching. Thank you for engaging with social media posts of OPM. But if you want to learn more about how we can promote OPM, sariling atin na music, please follow OPM and let's continue to celebrate Filipino music even after this month and just enjoy.
Hey fam, this is Raven Asidera and I'm a very proud member of Organisasyon ng Pilipinong Mga Awit. And you can definitely go ahead and stream my single, my latest single, which is Pambira, Sana'y Pwede Pa, now available in all digital platforms. And again, thank you for celebrating Linggo ng Musikang Pilipino 2026 with us. At ito ay simula pa lang of a celebration for this year. So we hope that we can find you in different venues where we celebrate Filipino music. Remember someone today with Raven and Julie.
Bye fam!
Bye fam!
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out all our videos by clicking here.
And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too.
links are in the description below.